Welcome to SmartScope. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept, the New Earth, by Eckhart Tolle. Let's explore its core ideas together. The New Earth isn't about a physical place, but a shift in human consciousness. It's about living a life free from ego-driven suffering. Tolle's core message is about awakening to our true purpose and moving beyond our conditioned minds to a state of presence and peace. Eckhart Tolle is a renowned spiritual teacher and author. His profound insights have helped millions find inner peace and transform their lives. A central theme is the ego, our false sense of self, often driven by fear and the need for external validation. The ego constantly seeks to control and define us, leading to endless thought patterns that often cause unhappiness and stress. We can recognize ego-driven patterns by observing our reactions, judgments, and the stories we tell ourselves about who we are. Another key concept is the pain body, an accumulation of past emotional pain that lives within us and resurfaces to cause suffering. The pain body manifests as emotional reactions, old grievances, and recurring negative thought cycles. It feeds on unhappiness. To disidentify, we must become aware of its presence, without judgment, and simply observe it. This observation reduces its power over us. The path to the new earth involves awakening to a deeper consciousness, beyond the ego and the pain body. This awakening is cultivated through presence, living fully in the now moment, free from the past and future. By shifting from a thought-based identity to conscious awareness, we connect with our true essence and inner peace. So how can we integrate these powerful principles into our daily lives? Practice mindfulness, observe your thoughts without judgment, and actively choose presence over dwelling on the past or future. By doing so, you can cultivate lasting inner peace, discover your true purpose, and contribute to the new earth for yourself and others. In conclusion, the new earth offers a profound roadmap to a more conscious and fulfilling existence. Remember the key takeaways: understanding the ego, disidentifying from the pain body, and embracing the power of presence. We encourage you to explore Eckhart Tolle's work further and reflect on how these principles can transform your life. Thanks for watching SmartScope.